Your finger is your key. Unlock your door using the built-in advanced 3D fingerprint sensor. Unlike other smart locks, LOCKLY only uses high-quality capacitive fingerprint sensors which only recognizes fingerprints, unlike less secure optical readers. LOCKLY Smart Lock can recognize your fingerprint in just 0.46 seconds, and unlock your door in 1 second. It's faster than fumbling for your keys. Highly secure digital touchscreen, world's first patented peek-proof keypad, displays an always shuffling set of numbers across 4 buttons and is different every time, so while your access code remains the same, the location of the numbers differs, making it nearly impossible for prying eyes to guess the correct code. Remotely let people in. Used the app on your phone to code your fingerprints, set access codes, monitor traffic and unlock. It can all be done through the app. If you want to program new access codes and/or unlock the door while you're a long distance away from your home, then you will need the Wi-Fi Hub link, or if you want to use it with Alexa or Google Home, Wi-Fi Hub sold separately. Secure any door with the LOCKLY, perfect choice for your front door, bedroom door and office door. Zinc alloy built lock with a rust and corrosion-resistant satin finish backed by a lifetime finish warranty. Easy DIY installation, replaces existing deadbolt with basic household tools in about 15 minutes. Fits both left and right swinging standard doors, 1 3/8 to 2 inches thick. Requires 2 1/8 inch face bore hole. Compatible with most standard doors 1.38 in to 2 in. Thick, universal fitment with both right swing and left swing doors and installs with standard tools in 10 minutes to 15 minutes. Convenient keyless entry lock. Unlock and manage your door access with your iOS, Android smartphone or by entering a preset access code on the digital keypad. Backup physical keys and backup power options included in case of emergencies. Zinc alloy built lock with a rust and corrosion-resistant satin finish backed by a lifetime finish warranty. Long-lasting power. Powered by 4 AA batteries, included, the LOCKLY Secure Smart Lock lasts up to 1 year on normal use. Low battery warning can be viewed on your app, all mounting hardware included. Auto lock feature. Custom auto lock feature can be set to automatically lock your phone 5 seconds up to 5 minutes after unlocking, making sure your deadbolt is always secured. Manage instantly from your app. Manage your smart lock access, its users and view history from your smartphone anywhere, compatible with iOS and Android.